Good morning, registrants. Greetings from BMS College of Engineering. Our principal, Dr. B.V. Ravishankar, will be arriving.
So, good morning to all the organizers, the participants, and my own colleagues. At the outset, let me compliment each one of you for taking some time in order to upgrade yourself and update regarding some of the concepts of 3D printing with respect to design perspective, right? My compliments to the team who have come forward to organize Madam Suma and also Sri and others, right? I keep telling always the COVID-19. One side, if you look at it, it's created a pandemic, but other side, if you see, it has really created an advantage of learning new things, following new dimensions, right? New routes, new technologies, right? So many things. So that means to say, as a professionals, we need to look for the advantage. That means, say, during the crisis, how you look for opportunities. That's what is happening. So BMSC is always, takes the advantage during the calamities, right? In doing so, it has come forward to organize such an event, with the support of the ATAL, the AICT Training and Learning, and which focuses on equity and quality, right? See, quality nowhere we need to compromise. Just not for numbers, but for the quality. Means to say, it is not that we look for quantity always, right? Even if the quantity is less, but the quality is well defined, I think that should speak as a professional. I hope the deliberations which are going to take place in these days, that is from this today to 5th of September, it will be a learning approach, and not only learning, it need to really give a opening for many thoughts, right? Unless we keep thinking, I don't think thoughts will flow, right? So therefore, I think we have to start thinking and understanding the concepts, and after understanding, we should be able to analyze, and later on should be in a position to apply. That's how the learning should happen. Hope the deliberations which is going to happen in these days are definitely going to create a platform from each one of you, because I know all of you are faculty of different institutions, right? Always we say the learning has no barricade. There is no full stop. It is a forever. The learning should happen forever. Teachers especially. Teachers are the continuous learners, right? And how much you learn, so will be the storage of knowledge. So therefore, my friends, this is an opportunity created by BMS College of Engineering with the support of the ATAL, right? That is AICT Training and Learning Academy, with a vision of empowering the faculty. See, why? Because strongly everybody believes, if at all, if you want to build a strong nation, education is very, very important. And the education can be imparted only by a very specific tools, and those tools are nothing but the faculties. So therefore, I think we need to always look for new things, new technology, new approaches, so that we also can upgrade, and similarly we can transform whatever that learning going to happen to our next generation. That's what the process of learning and education. So hope the learning definitely is going to happen, and you are the ambassadors for the new future of this particular society of technical world, right? So all the best, and may God bless. And COVID, yes, it is there. It's not that you have to give reasons for lame excuses and keep ourselves away. I don't think so. We should start adopting ourselves and move forward. That's what is happening. That's what BMSC is doing. So once again, my hearty congratulations to the entire team of BMSC, and also all the best to the participants who have come all the way to attend, right? And this is what is going to be the future. That means to say, many of the things need to have a blended learning. The virtual and also the real world is what we need to amalgamate, and then keep moving forward. With this, thank you very much. God bless you.
Thank you for your motivational words, sir. I hope all the faculties and the young scholars will take your words and move ahead in this global scenario.
Thank you, Manjushri. Thank you.